Hello! To manage apps notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all we have to go into the settings. From here we go into the notifications, and right here are the apps notifications, so let's go in here, and you have list of all the applications right here, and here we can manage all the notifications. So for example, you can disable the notifications for the application and enable it back, and we can also manage these notifications, but first we need to enable some notification. Let me just show you. As we disable the notifications for the clock and we go in here, first of all you have to allow the notifications for this application to manage it. So right here we can enable sound and vibration for the notification. You can toggle if you want to see the notification on the lock screen and the app icon badge or as the notification pop-up. You can also select to show the content on the lock screen, and right here we have live notifications, which make notifications for ongoing activities more visible, as you can see. So yeah, that's the options for all the notifications. You can do it with all the applications right here, so you can pretty much customize all the notifications, app notifications, as you can see, however you'd like. So yeah, that's basically how to manage the app notifications. Thank you for watching.